365 miles.
Wow.
When we bought it, it had 800 exactly. So now we drove it 60 before putting the transmission in and then replacing the 3 out of the 4 DRC. So now, I guess 865 before we did the transmission and the DRC. So now we'll probably take it to, I don't know, add another 20 miles or so. Give it another check over. Taking it out today to make sure. Rebuilt transmission, rebuilt by JHM, works perfectly, goes through every gear.
Didn't realize that these were the original tires.
Yeah. I left them on purpose because they're a discontinued tire. So it shows that like it really is true mileage because it never got new tires. You can't even buy these tires anymore.
The Conti Sport?
Conti SportContact 3s?
Oh yeah, they don't even make those.
Yeah, they're just gone.
We're on 4S. I think they even make the 5 now. I thought.
Yeah. All the gears work.
We're in 6th.
Driving a brand new, literally brand new
RS4.
RS4. What a privilege. This is what it was like. It's 2008. Let's see, I was just getting out of, I was a few years out of college.
I won't say where I was.
In the crib.
Yeah.
Beast. So much traffic. Everything works. Man, it drives like a new car.
The steering wheel, it's like just touching the steering wheel.
Everything feels different. Like the shifter is crisper than a car that's everything's worn out. Steering wheel leather is like, yeah, it's
Brand new.
The seat bolsters are actually tight.
Tight, yeah.
Like a last RS4 we had in had 135,000 miles.
That thing was, yeah.
Slightly different.
Oh, yeah.
Degree of tautness. Okay. We're gonna go 4, 5, 6. Good job, Joe.
Yay. Thanks, JHM.
Yeah, good job, JHM. Yeah,
That's smooth.
she's nice. Everything's working now. It's crazy. 870.
Wow, even like just everything looks so...
It's almost like the glass, the plastic isn't there because it's so
there.
clear.
I know.
Of course, this guy's got to get so freaking close to me. You realize how rare this car is?
He wanted to see what model it was. Couldn't see it from far away.
Make sure everything works.